my sincerest, my deepest apologies for being late. Figure out a words to use one day. All right. Let's get this started. News. We can't forget about the news. This is on, right? Yeah. Okay. Cracks. What's up, Cracks? All right, let's fix the chat and then we'll do news. I did. You're getting ahead of me. You're getting way ahead of me. Oh, you're Cracks, you're completely good. I just wanted I was able to test everything I needed to test and blah blah blah. What meme? What are you with TopStep? The hell is today? The 7th, Wednesday. It's past 8:30. 11. We'll be done before 11. So I don't care what else is happening. What? So like, I like the U.S. economic calendar. I like this site, but it does not have this. So 10:30. I mean, maybe that only is going to affect the crude oil futures. I don't know. I guess we'll just watch out just in case. It's not a bad thing to just be careful. Yeah, sometimes events don't. On this site, I can't. Economic report? No. No, whatever. I just check. I don't know why I got in the habit of checking both of them. I should just go to one. Let's just go to the AMP futures one. Oh, Forex Factory. Yeah. I don't know why. Like, I've used it before. I don't know why I stopped. See, I don't understand because like different sites show different things. This one shows 10:30. This one has it red on AMP futures. It's usually within 24 hours. Mine came through yesterday afternoon meme. But I think it says on their site, I think it says it could take a couple days. But when did you I mean, you should have yours. That's weird. Oh, okay. If you paid last night, yeah, you might. I paid twice now. I've paid mine in the evenings, like after the market closed, obviously, when they send the email out. And I don't get it until the next afternoon. So I would expect it at least today, possibly this afternoon, but it could also be after the market's over. I'm also just telling you based on my experience. I don't work for them or know their policies or anything like that. So So we were running low on Apex accounts because I locked out those two yesterday. So we were only left with two, the two that Ratbot 1 and 2 were running on. So I paid a reset fee on a third one. So that's what I only did that so I can trade it manually. So we'll trade manually up here, and then we'll have these two guys down here running. And then I also have the funded from TopStep. I still haven't decided how I want to trade this. As you can see, I did trade yesterday when I got it. I said I wasn't going to. I've been burned every time I've ever done that. I was willing to kill it if it went in the wrong direction, but you know, with TopStep, they count the money always counts towards or against your account. But working towards payouts, it only counts if you make $200 and you have to get 5 $200 days. So that's just going to be weighing on me until I get 5 $200 days. I can't help it. I can tell myself to don't worry about it and to just trade and don't think about it, but it doesn't matter. Nothing anybody says or nothing I tell myself is going to change the fact that there is a goal that I can't take this money out until I have 5 $200 days. So maybe we just lean into it and just try to get that, I guess. I don't know. We've done it before, we'll do it again. We are right here at these highs. It's almost like guaranteed that we are going to breach those. Got more back there. Oh my God, these are all-time highs too, aren't they? Not these that we're about to break. All-time highs at 794. So we're gonna have to just be. I don't know. I say we need to be cautious, but at the same time, we're typically trading on a 5-second chart, so it doesn't really matter. We're just getting in and out. That's the plan. Yeah, it is looking like that, isn't it? We just keep yeah, yesterday we got really close and didn't go up there. But you guys think we break those? Because I think we do. At least this guy, 777. 776. Got 3.5 minutes. Looks like we're slowing down a little bit. What's up, McLovin? You think we're going after all-time highs today? Well, we just broke that line. Uh, hold on. Okay. Oh, 1 minute. I'm just not excited to trade these markets lately. And I'm not sure how I want to trade this guy. I'm just uncertain because we've been doing pretty poorly lately with our manual trades. All right. Let the games begin. If we form a 1 minute bearish fair value gap here, I guess we're just going to continue down because we took out the highs that we had marked out, traded up in here pre-market, and then go down. We're just going to probably keep going down. Maybe down towards this line. If that, oh, the bot took a trade already. Should have got in with her, with it, with him, with her, with it. If this gap does form, then on the 1 minute, I'll short it on the top step. Of course, if we come back up into it. And we're already closing it. So there is a bullish 15-minute that we created back here. We did do that on the 1 minute. I thought we closed it in all the way. It's almost worth it to just short because we're only 20 points from the high. I could just do this the whole rest of the day.
Order filled.
Good morning. How you doing? Bot got out of its trade. Sorry, I was on the other screen. Can watch here and then go jump over there to exit. Delta. I know you've been around. See you in Discord, but you haven't been catching the streams as often, right? But glad to see you. Yeah, that's quite all right. I think they're doing good. This one just took a 8-point win. This one won't be looking for trades. I have it set, or it won't be looking for trades until 10. So this one trades between 10 and 11. But this one did really good yesterday. And then this one looks for trades between 9:30 and 11. But yesterday I had this one on 3 micros per entry. In each setup, I can get into up to 3 trades. So it was, at times, it was in 9 micros, but it did $800 yesterday. I mean, it also loses, but holding on to the fact that we got this little, that fair value gap that I mentioned on the 1 minute. We did come up and tap it. I mean, there's a chance we may not want to keep going lower, but since we got in all the way down here, instead of up at where the gap formed, yeah, my idea is to have a bunch of bots running to where some perform, that way they don't all need to perform good every day. Yesterday, the one did plus 800, the other one did like minus 250 or something. So between the two of them, they were profitable. And the accounts I manually traded were both in the red. I do lack discipline. Hank. Feel like if I get out of this at break even, it's just gonna fall. I'm a bit tired too. I'm always tired. I'm just gonna
Order
take
filled.
that there. Of course, we're just gonna. It's gonna probably tank like 100 points now, but that's all I was wanting. It again. It would have been much easier. I honestly, I thought that fair value gap on the 1 minute. I thought it got filled in. I saw this candle moving up, and then I stopped looking at it. So I just assumed it was filled in. I didn't realize that it wasn't filled in until late. Excuse me, a couple candles later. But that would have been a nice quick. Damn, could have had a quick 20 points off of that. Had I said if we get a 1 minute fair value gap at open off of this, I want to take that. And I don't know. I stopped looking at it. Oh damn! This bot took another trade. He's up 150 right now with 5 micros. I just got them over here working while I'm messing around on the funded. I don't have my volume coming out of my speakers, so I don't even know that it's taking trades. I know you guys probably heard it beeping, but I didn't hear it because I have my audio's routed through my headset. So let me change that so at least I can know when it takes to watch it at least. Yeah. You guys hear I'm just like completely oblivious to it taking trades and you guys are having to listen to all that. But I also have the voice down. I'm gonna turn off the trade of 8-1 though. Cause that dude is super annoying and like I told you guys, my one dog like is terrified. Like I've never seen her more scared of something than that trade of 8 voice. Oh damn, Delta, if it was accidental, does that mean it didn't go in your favor? Because those never work out for me. Why is this heart still back? Heart up here. Tyler. Yeah, why is it those never go in your favor? Maybe when we go to make merch, like I don't know of anything to put on that stuff except for just my logo, but we could have something that just says order filled on it. And when you look at those words, you can hear them. Cultivate might come after me. What did we? I mean, we took out these swings, but they don't look like those are important, right? We're making like equal lows between these two on the 1 minute. Uh, I have a suspicion that this may just keep going down. Right? What do you guys think? I mean, we just came back to the midpoint of this move down, this leg. Let's see. Could do that, Tyler. I'm telling you, I almost want to record her, but at the same time, I feel so bad when she gets scared like that, so I don't want to inflict that on her. Yeah, McLovin, you think it goes down to? I like this move. Let's wait for some more confirmation, and then maybe we could take it on this account. Oh, this guy right here, yeah. No, some of you guys have been really playing the inverse of these gaps, right? An inversion FVG, as some may call them. Around 748, like up here. I like that. If we get more confirmation, then I'll probably go jump in a short on the TopStep also. What would confirmation look like though? Maybe maybe breaking beneath here. I don't know, because we got all these wicks going up there. Or just a 30-second fair value gap, which we've already created. But if we create another 30-second fair value gap, I'll take it on the funded. Gotta be careful because when we have these moves like that, I'm got to see how it reacts when we get back to the midpoint, which is right there. So I know I have a question for you guys. Tyler, especially you. Are you kidding me, McLovin? I thought we were shorting this. I get into a short and now, oh my god. Oh Jesus. Oh my god, the spot things were going up too. What have I done? Everyone's turned against me. Oh Jesus Christ. Well, there's nothing left to do but double down, right? We'll double down up here. We'll do the old grim strat, and we just don't accept losses. We only accept wins. All right, so I have a question for you guys. Like I have I have that 5-on-5 strategy on the 5 second, but oh my god, oh this is ripping up. Get out! Why is it not getting out? What what is this? What is that? I was hitting flatten. Uh, I want to buy here because I like this order block that we created. Okay, my question is, I have the 5-on-5 strategy, where we drop down to like the 30 second or even it's the 5 second, but sometimes I like to go to 30 second if I don't feel like going on the 5 second. I have a sneaking, right? Is it called a sneaking suspicion? I have a suspicion that maybe not all you guys, but most people would they prefer seeing me read the markets, from top down, how I used to do it. The daily hour, 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute, and trying to call out the larger moves. I don't necessarily have to go after those larger moves, but is that the case, or you guys don't really care? Alito, can you explain why I was in a short and I was hitting flatten and close and it all of a sudden put me in 20 micros for a buy up here? Probably look at the logs and figure it out. Well, you're going to rewind the tape and look at it. Getting out of that. We were pretty deep in the red after this mistake down here. I didn't have brackets. I need to look at the event logs and see what happened. Have you think about trade on ticks? What do you mean? I'm only worthy of the sick Tyler. A tick chart. No, I'm just from what I've learned from ICT, I try to stick with the time-based candles. Appreciate it, McLovin. No, I've never done that. I used to trade the range chart, but not the. I've never traded the tick chart. I don't want all the entries like that. Yeah, we used to, when I was taking the bigger trades, like on the lowest I would go was the minute, and then I slowly started going on the 30 second, and then now sometimes the 5, obviously. But that's what I was doing. That I was trying to read the market top down, some monthly, weekly, daily, and then marking out potential areas of liquidity on the hour and the 15-minute. And then watch for those areas to be swept with a indication that we're reversing on the 1 minute. I thought I was doing really good. I really think the days where I didn't do good, it was because the setup just didn't work out that day, which is perfectly fine. Except I wouldn't accept that, and I would try to make it back, and then then lose even more. Tyler, that hurts me to my core. That quitting your job and being a full-time Rat Lord Trades viewer is not your goal. I just can't believe it. We have a little 5-minute gap right there that we just came up and hit. I don't know if it means anything, but that is what you're doing, Edgar. And that's why I love you. RLL. Let's see. I could see us coming back to this order block right here and then continuing up. And it lines up with this guy. I'm gonna buy it because everyone else is gonna be scared on on all those red candles. I think the bot just got into a trade and a short. Again, it's going against me. Come on. I'm not willing to hold this very far. It's not wanting to. I gotta get out. Gave back $65 on that. The bot was right. Man. She's killing it today. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 for 4. Jesus. And the trades it's taking, it's going further, like way further. This was a short right here. This was a short. It got out here, went double. This was a long. It went like 3 times that distance. There's no, there's no, I mean, I guess I could. There, one of the ideas to running the bot is let it take entries, but then I can still micromanage them. But introducing the human factor and my emotions, I'll probably end up screwing it up. So I would prefer to just let the bot do its thing. And if it's good, it's good. And if it's not, it's not. The one thing though I do need to code for the bots is a daily loss. So that way if I'm not watching them, which Apex, if you're watching, I don't do that. I always watch them. But theoretically, if I wasn't watching them, I would like them to stop trading if they get too deep in the red. Right now, they won't. They will just trade. They don't care. I hate when the market does this. Now, like we just took out that low. Like now, are we going to go back up towards the highs or are we going to come back up midpoint of this? Yeah, it could be more like an indicator or a signal. Because like I have a this window right here is like it has messages for the bot, so it could just say like, "Hey, buy now." But they're doing fine. I mean, I'm very satisfied with them. Want to see us get drawn back up into this gap up here. At the very least. On. I hate to say it, but I'm watching the P&L. I want it to be above 200, so today can count for a green day. I'm gonna try to take it slow. I know I told you guys the problem with taking it slow and only going after 200 is I don't want to have a red day of minus 1,000 on this account, but it's a possibility because that's the daily loss limit. So it's a possibility that we can lose 1,000 on the day. So I don't want to accept that, but it can happen. So with that said, if I hit a daily loss limit, that means it would give back 5 of my green days, and we've shown I can't handle that. I did it in January with those other 2 fundeds. So I need to go after more than just $200 a day, but I just got this funded again after we spent, the last couple weeks trying to get it again. So I got to just take it slow. And 200 a day is perfectly fine, but I need to, when we have a day where I can't read the markets or I'm not taking good trades, I have to stop when I'm like no more than $400 or $500 at the very, like, at the most or the least, because it's a negative number, but you know what I mean. I can't lose more than $400 or $500 on a red day. Just came back and tapped that 1 minute fair value gap right there. Maybe we jump in with this with the bots. I mean, we might be going up to that. No. Or I can do it on this account. We can do it up here. I'm not going to touch the funded. Funded is up 237, so feels good. That's real. That's my money. Well, TopStep will only let me have half of it for the first payout and stuff, but it's working towards something, so that's awesome. So we're gonna stop there. So we're up 478 in the last 2 days on the funded. So we'll just work on these. Yeah, Tyler, I remember you saying that. I need to do that because I really do not want a red day to ever be $1,000 on these accounts because I'm not looking to make that much. So I think my red day should be no more than, at the worst case, double what my green days are. And even then that sucks, but a daily loss for me is like I made a mistake. I shouldn't hit my daily loss. I should stop before I get there. Yeah, I need to I can just message them on their site, or I have to do a get on their Discord. Of course, the one trade we jump in with the bot, it's gonna be a loser. Possibly, I don't know. We're still in this 1 minute gap right here. The thing is that we're also up in this 1 minute gap, and we got these gaps, and we got this gap. So which one is going to work? Yeah, I might do that later today. ask them if they could change it to 500. You got to be kidding me. We'll do the old double down and see if it works. Oh, the bot exited because it didn't like it anymore. This is no bueno. All right, Alito. Someone ban him. Oh, and the bot just shorted. Yeah, I might ask them. We're in a interesting position. I want the market to come up for my manual trades. I also want the market to go down so the bot can take a winning trade. I've got them right here. I took them off. Honestly, I don't even know what I would do with them. Look at, they're just going up and down on each other. EMA is just laying work to that SMA. Oh, 200 on the 1 minute. Yeah, I didn't have it on Quantower. I had it on Tradeovate. We could put it on the 1 minute. It was 200. 200. I thought it was two. No, I only had it on the on my seconds chart, and then I had it on all the charts on Tradeovate. Wasn't it 200 SMA though, not EMA? I think it's 200 SMA, and then EMA is 21, but he also has like 4 or 5 different ones. Every time he posts a video, there's a new line on there. But he's doing what works for him, and it obviously works. He freaking kills it with that strategy. And I've always told him I've wanted to try it. Oh man, that bot down there was up 300, and now it's at break even. Come on, you. Maybe we can both win, but it might exit that if the market keeps moving, it might exit it. Look at this 15-minute and the 5-minute. We're just creating a ball. All right, that's a good sign that it got out. That bot's now down $41. Yeah. See, if I had a like a daily profit goal or something coded, I mean, I would have had to have it beneath $300 for it to stop. But yeah, this is garbage. Look, the bot's trying. The bot took a loss, and now it wants its money back. You're not. That's like rule number 1 of trading is don't revenge trade, and it's revenge trading. Knives, what's going on? You've already missed all the fun. Got out of that too soon. We're doing all right. This is now putting this account in the green. Plus our funded is in the green. This one hasn't been taking anything yet. This one has been taking trades, and it went up 300, and now it's down to plus 33. Should have stopped while it was ahead. It should have stopped while it was ahead, but you know that bot. It's a greedy little rat. I'm gonna get out. That puts us in the green on that account. We were down way more than what we're up, but I mean, you guys have seen the trades I've been taking on it. They've just been trades for the sake of trades. Are you all done trading? I don't know if I want to take any more manual trades. I'll let the bots keep running, but this is garbage. The hell is this on the 5-minute? Yeah, this isn't. If I had more self-discipline, which I was alluding to this when I started the stream earlier, if I had more self-discipline, I probably wouldn't even trade at all. Like any day, I would wait until I start seeing price action that is worth my time. And I wouldn't, if I were to do something like that, it would be don't watch the markets live. Like after they close, like stay off the charts. And then in the evenings, go back and look and see, like, okay, did we get price action that looks good today? Like candles on the, preferably on the 1-minute and the 5-minute, make sure that that looks good. Then once I see a couple days of it doing that, then start trading again. But this just sucks lately. Absolutely sucks. Yes, is close to that. Oh, yeah, we are. It's about to hit it right now. There's we're about to hit all-time highs on Nasdaq too. There's that. Yep, there we go. And for what? Why are we up here? Thought the economy and everything was doing bad. Not that I don't pay attention to anything more than these candles and what they do each day. I don't I don't pay attention to news, politics, anything that's going on in the world. I quite literally don't pay any attention to any of it. Yeah, we could hit it. So I know it's hard to read ICT stuff and know which fair value gaps are going to hold and which ones aren't. But even if you were just taking them randomly, imagine someone taking this one on the 1 minute, put your stop at the swing, then trail it to all time highs. Someone did it. Somebody did that today. This gap formed after we just took out that low. Like that's a pretty, what do we got going on here? Oh, that's that one. I thought I had it showing that down here. Oh, that's number. Oh, I have all that crap turned off. So these aren't trades, they're just orders if the market comes back down there. Well, Alito, I do remember last year, sometime you told me that this year was going to be pretty intense. Have you taken anything today? I think part of Jack's I think we could use, at least for today, fair value gaps. Looking at the 30-second, as a fair value gap crosses one or both these lines, just mark it in and write it down for a few points. And then a bullish fair value gap breaking that. fair value gap, breaking away from it, and then just riding it up. Or there might be some where you don't get very many points, or you have to take a loss. The losses should be relatively small. And then or even just break evens, but you keep trying, you're going to hit once the market does break away from it. You can just ride that up. This is, of course, just one day, but I'm pretty sure that's part of Jack's strategy. I'm just trying to implement fair value gaps with it. Yeah, there was something at 10, wasn't there? Or what did I see it at? There was like some oil news. And on AMP's economic calendar, it had it read. Oh, it's at 10:30. It's not even 10:30 yet. Finally. We haven't heard from that bot in a minute. Oh, and our bot over there placed some new orders. The 1,000 bot? What's that? The one that makes $1,000 every day? Oh, the 10 o'clock? Is that what you're saying? This one over here waits until 10 to place orders. But we have some big moves. I have to get off of here. I mean, I always get off here usually at 11, but I have to today because I have to leave. So that one most likely will be sitting there. Those orders, if it gets into the trades or not, it will be sitting there all day. And then at 4, it will close them. Again, if anyone from Apex is watching, I'll have somebody monitoring the trades. They will not be left unattended. I just can't believe this one down here was up 300, and then we took several losses. It was doing so good. Like what, 4 or 5 in a row? Then it got chopped up. And I don't like that it shorted that either. I'm looking at the bot's P&L. It's not my P&L. I let the bots have their own accounts, and I don't care what those do. I just look at them and let you guys know what they're doing. I was talking about it earlier before you got here that I I can't help but watch the P&L on Tradeovate because of having like you have a goal of getting to 200 every day in order to in order to qualify for payouts. So it doesn't matter what you guys say or what I say or what I tell myself. It's going to affect me, and I can't help it. There's not that's just part of it. That was a good trade. Trying to log in and try to 8, but I can't pull it up. Like, where are we going? Is anybody in a long, or have they been in one? Or is everyone we're all a little scared? You're in a long, Delta? Alchie phasing along? 868? I'm assuming that's you fibbed it out. Damn. So is it too late to get in and buy right now? I'm not. I'm just joking. I'm not. I think I'm done taking manual trades. I'm just seeing if this one. Well, this one's still actively trading. Curious if this one will, if we ever get tagged in. But honestly, with a move like that, these are all limit buys. The market could take a couple hours, come in and out. Are you guys there? Oh, frick. It's not. It's not ideal. My internet just went in and out. Let me oh wait, we're back. Are you guys there? What happened? What did that look like for you guys? Did the stream just freeze or what? My everything stopped, and then I looked and I didn't have. There was no internet. What the hell? That's weird. Oh, I don't know. I think everything's screwed up now. What account was this? 28. Holy crap. Endpoints. I'm thinking about just buying and putting my stop beneath this guy right here. That was one contract. I just just I just picked the top. I think if we okay. Never mind. All right. All right. Let's regroup. Let's not everyone get let's not all get worked up. Uh See if we pull back into here. Yeah, I don't know what you guys are talking about. I haven't taken a trade. See, there's no trades on here. I haven't taken a trade since our last one. You didn't hit market. Tyler, didn't you call 868? Came back into this 1 minute gap. Still above this imaginary line right here. What are the details for oil futures? Like how many what is each what's the margin for a contract and what are the points worth? I guess I could look that up, but figured we'd have a discussion. Well, McLovin, maybe we could go back up there one last time. There's no way we're going to make all-time highs and then turn around by just doing a high low and then not making another high. Like that's too easy of a read for like normal retail people, right? That's not going to happen. That would offer way too many people easy money. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Nope. I think this bot over here got messed up from that the internet going in and out. I think I might just cancel all of those. This one's still going strong. I'm going to take all these off because I don't think that they should be there right now. Just find it hard to believe that this is what the top is going to look like. We're just going to make a high and then fail to make a higher high and then just turn around and let a bunch of people make easy money off of not making a higher high. What did you do, Alito? Oh my God. The latest beta is a major release in my data. Hmm. I just can't believe that that's gonna be the high. I mean, obviously we don't have to. So when are we gonna go back up there, Tyler? Look at this. 2 ticks. Oh, here we go. Now we're going up. That's true, Tyler. Oh, here we go. We're in another situation where I want the market to go down and I want it to go up. Tyler, I'm not looking for any specific level. I'm trading, watching my P&L today, which sometimes I can do that and not be too affected. Sometimes it's works in my favor, makes me have better decisions. Sometimes it doesn't work in my favor. So it worked fine on my top step, but I guess you could call that luck. This bot down here would be in a better shape if it was on minis. I think the commissions killed us because it's doing 5 micros per trade. But yeah, we ran up to 300 down, and then we're technically sitting at 75, but once you factor in commissions, pulls us down to $21. If this other bot didn't get messed up from the internet going out, I think it would be in a trade right now. But oh well. I'd rather just skip the day. My internet's been doing that lately. I have these like pulses of no connection. That's not ideal for somebody who's trying to trade and stream. Nice meme. What's your plan? Are you gonna jump on it today or save it for tomorrow? Okay, there's your answer. Don't be like me and try to stick to your plan. I know it's exciting to get it. Twice I've gotten a funded midday and then I hit my daily loss limit that same day. So then I'm starting off the account in the hole and it sucks so bad. So if you think you missed your trade, just wait till tomorrow. That's a good idea too. Can we just go up to those highs one more time? Where were our highs last time? Right here, right? Oh, look at the last time we made these highs. Last time we made all-time highs, we just kept. That'd be cool if we could do that today. Preferably like right now. Oh, come on. We've been in this trade so freaking long. We were willing to hold this for looks like 20-ish points, so I really need to try to get 20 points out of that, which is at the highs, which is going to be tough. We're currently in the green on this trade and on the total for the day. Nah. Come on. This low. If it comes down here, we'll get out. I'll go ahead and put a stop down there. And it's most... is it going to go there? Yes. I don't like that. Why is it every time I get into trades, the market just goes horizontal? Why? Every single time I'm forced to sit here. We can get out of 5. At least take some risk off. F it. I don't care anymore. I don't care. I don't care. I'm gonna stop this spot down here. Yeah, maybe we're gonna have to take the stream private. Like I said, I have to leave in 10 minutes, so I need to go get ready and stuff. But here's our results. We we only traded these 2 accounts. This was our manual one. So that trade that we were just in, that was like our it was either we were gonna end the day green or end the day red, and we ended the day minus $4.32. I don't remember. We were up at one point like 130, so it's whatever, man. I'm trying to focus on the most of my attention right now is on the funded and then on the bots. This bot got messed up with the internet going in and out, so I just stopped it. I'm pretty positive it would be in a trade right now, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to rerun today on like market replay. Yeah, we would. I would have killed it right there. Whatever. And then this is rat bot number 2. It was up $96. At one point, rat bot number 2 was up 300, way up here, but started to not do good. Climb back out. If you don't count commissions, which there's no reason to do that except to make me feel good that it was plus 151, but commissions took that down to whatever we just showed. Commissions took it down to 96. So once we can switch it over to minis, I think it would be better. Because the ratio for commissions and what you make on it is better. Yeah, where did we exit that? Let's turn this back on. Yep. So 2 more 30-second candles, so 1 more minute, and then I could have gotten my 20 points. We probably would have been up, I don't know, close to 200 on that account instead of down $4. So we sat in all of this for absolutely no reason, but that's what I get for maybe having a tiny bit of, maybe a little bit of FOMO. A little bit of FOMO sprinkled with a little bit of I don't care. So all in all, not too bad of a day. I have 2 green days that count towards my payout process on TopStep. That's obviously where my focus is because that's actually going to be real money instead of having to go through combines. But I'm also focused on the bots, and then the least of my worries are the manual trades on Apex Count. Hank, you have a great one. The rest of you, trade safe the rest of the day, and we'll be back tomorrow.